Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Kreski Orchid School channel, Sholapur. I, Nikita teacher, welcome you all. Today, I am Nikita teacher teaching you social studies subject for grade 3. Yes children, in today's session, what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about lesson number 4. In the previous session, we have completed our lesson number 4. What we have learned in lesson number 4, that is local government agency. Now in today's session we are going to see some question answers, presentation, animation and some interactive tasks. Okay children, are you ready? Before that, what you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook, turn to Canopy textbook. Okay children, let's start with the question answer session. Yes children, we are going to fill in the blanks. Most people in India live in dash. What will be the answer, children? Most people in India live in dash. Give me the answer. Yes, most of the people live in villages. Yes, correct. Next question. People who are dash years and above have right to vote. Now tell me, who are the people that are having right to vote? Which year we required? Year and above have a right to vote. Yes, give me the answer. Yeah, correct. 18 years. Let's see the answer. 18 years. People who are 18 years and above have a right to vote. Next question. The Gram Sabha chooses the member of the dash. Who chooses the member of Gram Sabha? Yes, give me the answer. Okay, let's see the answer. Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sabha chooses the member of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sabha chooses the member of Gram Panchayat. Let's see the next question. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the dash or dash. What we call the head of a Gram Panchayat? Yes, come on children, tell me the answer. Yes, correct. Let's see the answer. We can call them as a Pradhan or a Sarpanch. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Pradhan or Sarpanch. Okay children, understood? Now let's see the next question. Okay. What is this? Answering one word. Member of the municipal council are called. What we call, answer in one word, what we call the member of council? Yes, we called as, come on children, give me the answer. Correct, municipal councillor. What we call them? Municipal councillor. Members of the municipal council are called municipal councillor. Next question we will see. Number 2, the head of the municipal council is called, what we call them? The head of a municipal council? Yes, come on, give me the answer children. Yes, correct. Chairman. Even we can say as a chairperson also. The head of the municipal council is called chairman or chairperson. Okay children, next question we will see. In big cities, the municipal council is called as. In big cities, the municipal council is known as what? Yes, come on, give the answer children. Yes, correct. Municipal corporation. In big cities, the municipal council is called as municipal corporation. Next question we will see. The head of municipal council is called dash. What we call the head of municipal corporation? Yes children, come on, give me the answer. Yes, correct. Mayor. The head of the municipal corporation is called mayor. Understood children? Okay, now let's see the next. Now I will show you an animation. Okay children?
The Municipal Committee. People who are 18 years or above can cast their vote to elect the members of the Municipal Committee from their area. These members, in turn, cast their vote and select one member as their head, who is called the chairman or chairperson. The municipal committee oversees the overall welfare of the people and of the town which they represent.
Okay children, understood? What is that? That if we want to select the head of the municipal chairperson, we have to give them a vote. As you can see in your areas, they are having different chairperson, okay, to whichever who are helping them to clean the society or whatever we are facing problems regarding water, electricity, they will solve the problem. Okay children, understood? Next question, next we will see. Yes, next question we will see children. Yes. Now, where does the municipal corporation get the money to carry out all its function? As we have learned in the lesson, from where do we get the money? Yes, yes, from government. From how they will how they will arrange those money and what functions they will do? Yes, let's see the answer children. The municipal corporation gets the money to carry out all its function from the tax paid by the people. From where did we get the money? From the tax, whatever we are paying the tax. And from that tax the money are used. For what purpose they are using those money? For road, houses, land, electricity and water. I will repeat on the answer again. Once again I will repeat the answer. The municipal corporation gets the money to carry out all its functions from the tax paid by the people for the use of roads, houses, land, electricity and water. Understood children? Where does the municipal corporation get the money to carry out all its function? The municipal corporation gets the money to carry out all its function from the tax paid by the people for the use of roads, houses, land, electricity and water. Okay children, let's see the next. That is interactive task. Now in this what we are going to do? We are going to fill in the flow chart. This is a flow chart. We are going to fill it by dragging or dropping the names of different agency. What they have gave? Different names of agency of local government in the correct place. Okay. Press done to check your answer. What you are going to do? You are going to check the answer at last. First we are going to fill the flow chart and by dragging or dropping the names of agency, different agency of local government in the correct place. Okay children, now let's see which are the different agency of local government. State government, Sarpanch, municipal committee, Gram Sabha, municipal councillor, Gram Panchayat and chairman. These are the two. Okay, you can see. Okay children, let's see. Now tell me where we will first visit the state government. Yes, state government is the head. Okay, from where do we get all this facility? From state government. Okay children, understood? These we are going to fill. Okay, who is taking care of this regarding farmers and this thing? Sarpanch, is it right? Yes, correct. Where is municipal committee? Where it will be? Yes, municipal committee in big cities and towns. It will be here. Now here, same like Sarpanch, who will be the head? Yes, chairman. Correct? Now tell me, where is the Gram Sabha? In this column we will see, or in this column? Yes, Gram Sabha is in this column. Okay. Now where is municipal councillor and Gram Panchayat? Yes children, where is municipal councillor and Gram Panchayat? Yes, here will be the Gram Panchayat and here will be the municipal councillor. Okay children, let's see the correct answer. Okay,
well done.
Yes, we have whatever we have solved the flow chart, all answers are right. Understood children? Okay, next see the next interactive task. Now answer this question about your local government by clicking on the correct option, and after clicking on the correct option you are going to press on done button. Okay, now number 1, how old do you have to be vote for your representative? What option they have give? 18 years or 14 years? What will be the correct answer, children? 18 years or 14 years? Come on. Yes, correct, 18 years. Let's see the answer is correct or wrong.
Correct.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Number B, the head of municipal corporation is known as chairman or mayor? Yes, come on children. If I select mayor, is the answer is correct or C? We will see the answer is correct or wrong.
Correct.
Yes, the answer is correct. The members of Gram Panchayat are chosen by the Sarpanch or Gram Sabha? Of course, it is chosen by Gram Sabha.
Correct.
Most of the money from municipal council comes from? It comes from banks? No, it comes from taxes people pay. That's why most of the money for the municipal councils comes from tax people pay. Let's see the next question. Villages that have achieved full sanitation coverage are awarded this by the government of India. Options are Nirmal Gram Puraskar or Sundar Gram Puraskar. What will be the answer? Yes, teacher has taught you the lesson, no? What award they will get by the government of India? The village who have achieved full sanitization coverage, what award they will get? Nirmal Gram Puraskar or Sundar Gram Puraskar? Yes, correct, the Nirmal Gram Puraskar.
Yippee! You have completed the activity.
Wow, what they are saying that you have completed this activity. Now let's see, we have already solved all the question answers correctly. Then clap for yourself, children. Very good, children. Let's see the answer again. I will repeat this question and answer once again. How old do you have to be vote to how old do you have to be to vote for your representative? Answer is 18 years. Number B, the head of the municipal corporation is known as mayor, correct. C, the member of Gram Panchayat are chosen by the Gram Sabha. Number D, most of the money from the municipal council comes from taxes people pay. Villages that have achieved cleanliness are awarded this by the government of India, that is Nirmal Gram Puraskar. Okay children, understood what we have done? Now what you are going to do? You are going to take your pencil and eraser in your hand. We are going to see some textbook exercise. Okay children, we are going to see some textbook exercise. Are you ready with your book canopy, pencil and eraser? Okay, let's solve textbook exercise. What is the question first? We are going to solve about true or false. Come on, tell me the first answer, children. The member of the Gram Panchayat are chosen by the people who are 18 years and above. What will be the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Gram Panchayat are chosen by the people with 12 years? No, already teacher has taught you. The people who are having rights to vote will be of 18 years or above 18 years. That's why the answer is wrong. The answer is false. Why? Because they have gave their 12 years. But if they might have gave the member of the Gram Panchayat are chosen by people who are 18 years and above, that time the answer may be true. That's why they have gave 12 years and above. So the answer is false. Then write here false spelling. Okay children? Done? Okay, let's see the next question. Most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the tax we pay. Yes, come on children, tell me. Most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the tax we pay. Yes, of course, whatever we are paying the tax, from that tax only this money are used for water facilities or electricity or houses. That's why the answer will be what? True. Then write here the answer true. What will be the correct answer, children? True. Most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the tax we pay. Okay. Now next question. All villages have a municipal corporation. What they are saying? All villages have municipal corporation? No. The answer is wrong. Where you find the municipal corporation? In big cities or a town. Okay children? Understood? The answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Wrote children? Done? Okay, next question. Every Gram Panchayat must have at least one woman member among its elected members. What they are saying? That every Gram Panchayat must have at least one woman member among its elected member. Yes, we have seen in the lesson that they have demanded for that at least there should be one member who should be elected as a member of Gram Panchayat. The answer may be true or false, student? Of course, the answer is true. Now next question we will see. The head of the municipal corporation is called the Sarpanch. Yes, where you find the municipal corporation? In towns and cities or in villages? Of course, in towns and cities we found municipal corporation. But there is a Sarpanch? No. Sarpanch we see? Where we see? In municipal corporation? No. That's why we can see a mayor or a chairperson and as a head of municipal corporation. Who will the municipal corporation is called? Chairperson. The answer, they have wrote Sarpanch. That's why the answer is what? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Let's repeat this question once again. And have you wrote this answer? Okay, let's see. Once again we will repeat this question. Write T for true and F for false statements. 10 sentence. Number 1. The member of the Gram Panchayat are chosen by people who are 12 years and above. Answer is what? False. Most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the tax we pay. The answer is true. What is the answer? True. Every Gram Panchayat must have at least one woman member among its elected members. What they are saying? Every Gram Panchayat must have one woman members as elected as a member. That the answer is true. Number 5. The head of the municipal corporation is called Sarpanch? No, that's why answer is false. The head of municipal corporation is called as chairperson or chairman. Now let's see the fill in the blanks question. Civic amity in villages are provided by what children? What will be the answer? Civic amenities in villages are provided by the, what will be the correct answer children? Give me the correct answer. Yes, the civic amenity is provided by Gram Panchayat. Now write the correct answer, Gram Panchayat. You know the spelling of Gram Panchayat children? Come on, tell me the spelling of Gram Panchayat. What is the spelling of Gram? Yes, come on children. What is the spelling of Gram Panchayat? Okay, let's see. We will write G-R-E-M, Gram Panchayat. P-A-N-C-H-A-Y-A-T, Gram Panchayat. Again, I will repeat the question. Civic amenities in villages are provided by the Gram Panchayat. The dash is the next question. The dash is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Come on children, tell me who is the head of the Gram Panchayat? Yes, just now I have told you who is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Yes, correct answer is Sarpanch. Now tell me the spelling of Sarpanch children. What is the spelling of Sarpanch? Come on, tell me. Okay, correct. Write the spelling of Sarpanch. S-A-R, Sir, Panch, P-A-N-C-H, Panch. Sarpanch. Yes children, what I told you, I have gave you the homework that you have to read the lesson, and whichever hard words you find, you have to underline those hard words and you are going to learn those hard words. Have you learned those hard words? Okay, if you have learned those hard words, you can write the spelling easily. If you have not learned the spelling or hard words, then you have to read the lesson once again and you have to read all those hard words. Why we have to read all those hard words? Whenever we are writing the answers or filling the blanks or answering one word or answer the following question, that time we will not make any mistakes while writing the spelling. That's why you have to learn the hard words. Okay children? Number 3, the Panchayat runs dash center to look after sick. What the Panchayat runs center, which center they are running? Yes children, which center they are running? Yes, of course. The Panchayat runs health center to look after sick people. Come on, tell me the spelling of health. Yes, H-E-A-L-T-H, health. The Panchayat runs health center to look after the sick. Understood children? Okay. Next question we will see. Members of the municipal council are called municipal dash. What will be the answer children? Members of the municipal council are called municipal of dash. Of course, it is known as municipal councillor. Come on children, tell me the councillor spelling. What is this councillor spelling? Yes? C-O-U-N-C-I-L-L-O-R-S. Councillors. Okay? Understood? Next question we will see number 5. The dash is the head of the municipal corporation. The dash is the head of the municipal corporation. Who is the head of the municipal corporation? Mayor. As I told you, chairman, mayor, they are the head of the municipal corporation. What will be the answer? Mayor. M-A-Y-O-R. Mayor. Okay children? Let's repeat the answer once again. Civic, fill in the blanks. Number 1, civic amenities in villages are provided by the Gram Panchayat. Number 2, the Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Number 3, the Panchayat runs health center to look after sick. Number 4, members of municipal council are called municipal councillor. Number 5, the mayor is the head of a municipal corporation. Yes children, understood? Okay. What? I will give you the time to write the answer. Have you done with this answer? Question number A and question number B, have you done? Okay. Shall I erase this? Okay, fine. I will erase this question answers. Okay children? Then we will see to the next question. Now children, see the next page. What is the next page? What we are going to see? Yes, we are going to see some answer the following questions and you have to give the answer. Okay children? Number 1 question. What are civic amenities? What are civic amenities? Come on, give me the answer children. What are civic amenities? Yes? Who will answer me? Yes. Okay children, let's see the answer. What are civic amenities? Civic amenities are basic things that people need to lead a comfortable life. Yes, for example, water, electricity, roads, schools and hospital. As teacher has taught you the lesson that local government agency and even what is known as civic amenities. Civic amenities is nothing but a basic things that people need to live a comfortable life, such as we have to see the facilities. What facilities we are getting? Water facility, electricity, roads, schools and hospitals. These are known as civic committees. Okay children, let's see the number 2 question. Who chooses member of the Gram Panchayat? Yes children, who chooses the member of the Gram Panchayat? Come on children, tell me. You know the answer will? Of course. There who will be the chooses the member of Gram Panchayat? Gram Sabha. Yes, the Gram Sabha chooses the member of Gram Panchayat. Understood children? Okay. Now let's see the number 3 question. List 4 important functions of the Gram Panchayat. What you are going to list out the 4 important functions. What are the important functions? So many important functions we have learned in this lesson. What functions the Gram Panchayat is providing to us? Only you have to tell me only 4 importance. Okay? Yes, the Gram Panchayat provides safe drinking water or builds and maintains roads, set up health centers and builds or schools and adults education center, and many more functions we have learned about Gram Panchayat, but we have to write only 4 important functions of Gram Panchayat. Okay children, understood? Now let's see the next question. Write 3 sentences about the municipal council. What are you going to see? You are going to write the 3 sentences about the municipal council. Okay children, what are those? The municipal council takes care of towns and cities. Yes, of course, they are taking care of towns and cities. The member of the towns who are 18 years or older elect the members of the municipal council. Yes, the people who have about 18 years or above 18 years, that peoples only can vote the members of municipal council. These members are called municipal councillor. What these members are known as? Municipal councillor. Let's see the next question, number 5. How can we help our local agency as a good citizen? Children, come on, tell me, how can we help a local agency as a good citizen? Come on, tell me the answer children. Okay, yes, we can help our local agency as a good citizen by helping to keep our village, town or city as clean. Okay, we must pay our tax regularly too. How we can help our local government agency to be as a good citizen? First, what we are going to do? We have to keep our towns, village, city clean, and we have to pay whatever the tax are there. We have to pay regularly. Okay, children, understood? Answer the following question. And whatever answer the following question we have discussed now, I am going to send those question answers, fill in the blanks, multiple choice question, whatever the notes are there, I am going to send on you as a PDF file on WhatsApp group also. You have to write those question answers, and whatever the PDF I am sending, you have to write in your CW book. Okay children? Now till that time, what you are going to do? Yes, now we will stop here only. Today what we have seen? We have seen some animation, presentation, okay? And some question answers we have seen, the children. And even we have solved some textbook exercise. But whatever remaining textbook exercise and enrichment activity, we are going to see in the next session. Yes children, then till that time what you are going to do? You are going to read once again this lesson number 4, local government agency. If you have not read the hard words, you have to read those hard words once again. And whatever today we have solved the textbook exercise, you are going to go through those textbook exercise, and whatever the next question textbook exercise are remaining, you have to try to solve those remaining question answers. Okay, then we will see in the next session whatever the remaining textbook exercise part, whichever is remaining, we will see in the next session, and we will see the enrichment activity. Okay children, till that time, bye bye, see you, take care, thank you.